Hello and welcome to another custom video. I have here a 70 Chevelle SS wagon, part of the Hot Wheels Daredevil series, but such thing does not matter, for we will be removing this paint, I should imagine, and replacing it with something else. So, as you can tell by the title, this is another Mad Max Custom. So of course this is going to be, well, completely changed. And I got something pretty big in store for this car. And by big I mean literally pretty big. So let's get started. First of all, we're probably going to need a few donor cars. Oops, a bit too much again. So after I ended up leaving the paint remover on for basically a night and a whole day. This seems to be coming off quite easy on this one. Might be because I left it on a lot longer. Maybe that's the key. So, where are we going to start with this? Well, for starters, we need a donor car. And here I have three. So, we got this one for the wheels. Oh yeah, we're going to put some big wheels on this bad boy. And then we've got these two, one of which I'm going to use the engine from, as they both have really big engines. And I've thought about it, I'm going to use the one from this. This has been the main idea for a while. But anyway, these are the two. I'm pretty sure these are purely donor cars, so not going to make their own little video on them. So there we go, that's them both open. I don't think I'm going to put the engine in the front of this car. I think it's definitely going to go in the back, because I've been saying I should have probably just bought a truck because I'm going to be cutting the roof off. But I think I'm going to leave the rear posts in so it looks like it's been modified. Well, this is the idea of Mad Max or the Apocalypse vehicles, they're modified. So I need to keep it so it looks like it was a mistake. Which wouldn't be too hard really if I just cut through the middle. But my main idea is to replace the wheels with these big chunky rear ones. Which means it's going to either need the arches cut or lift kit. And I'm thinking of just cutting down the arches. Well, we have a fair selection of cars here now. Come on, you know you want to come out. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, yeah, you can probably tell by the desk, I have spent ages filing this now. Just literally you know. So yeah, we've got much wider arches now. I've also made a groove in the plastic base, which you can kind of see there, to accommodate the wheels. I'm going to put them on the outside, so they're a bit more raised up, and yeah, it seems to fit alright. Seems to roll okay. Another hatch job. There's the engine right there. Got a little bit of plastic to sort of trim off this, but yeah, the idea is I'm going to keep popping bits of plastic off. This is going to sit up in the back, so yeah, that looked good. Right, now you can look at my crutch. Yay. Okay, that's better. I know another investment I need to make. Jeweler's saw. Much sharper, much more control and accuracy. And thinner. I'll keep those. I think it's... oh look, it's there. Sweet. So as long as this goes smoothly, Hopefully it does. It'll save a ton of time. Yeah. And away it goes to another dimension. Oh man, that looks like a disaster. Yeah, that's gonna look cool, I reckon. Blah, 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 blah. Well, after a ton of filing, literally this entire car has turned into just filing. Yeah, base is on there nicely, but inside the base, come off, a hidden battery. I couldn't actually fit the 2R32s in, the 2032, sorry, so the 16s. I mean, look at the size difference in them. So I guess I'm going to have to buy these or somewhere in between. I've moulded over a little bit and I've given it some thought. I think, actually, now might be a good time to give the car a coat of paint. I'm not going to bother using any primer. I'm just going to go straight into the colour and hope it works, I suppose. And make it look really rough. I think it's the way to go. Whoops. When I said really rough, I didn't mean that rough. That's a big old dollop of paint on the front end there. Oh well. Another thing I can do is stick these wheels onto this base so I can actually get a feel for what it's going to be like. So I'm just going to use some all-purpose adhesive because why not? That's a good start. Should be alright. I have a load of this craft wire stuff, which is a lot thicker. So whether it's too thick, I don't actually know. Would it be too thick for a ball bar? I don't know if it would or not. I do want to know if it's conductive, though. Whoa! Yeah, it's definitely conductive.